QR codes are super important because it puts the power in our patients' hands. We can't be everywhere all the time, and the QR codes allow us to receive a spill request or a toilet paper refill.
Once a QR code is put in, we'll reply and associate it's on their way, and it will send a message. Once the QR code is completed, we'll go back to the status, and then we'll mark completed.
They are literally everywhere. We have them in stairwells, floor work, all throughout radiology. They're in tons of places. We are constantly looking for the newest way to kill germs and to keep people safe.